Are you ready to quiet the noise in your head and find true inner peace? Are you tired of feeling trapped in your own thoughts while you meditate? Look no further. In this video, we're going to show you how to stop overthinking and take control of your mind through the power of meditation. Meditation is more than just sitting cross-legged and humming to yourself. It's a powerful tool that can help you improve your mental and physical well-being. With regular practice, you'll be able to let go of negative thoughts, reduce anxiety and stress, and improve your focus and concentration. But we know that getting started with meditation can be daunting, especially when you're struggling with overthinking. That's why we're sharing our top tips and tricks to help you overcome this barrier and start reaping the benefits of meditation. You'll learn how to set up your meditation space, how to breathe properly, and how to focus your mind. You'll also discover different types of meditation, so you can find the one that resonates with you best. Take your meditation practice to the next level and see for yourself the many benefits that await you. It's time to dive deeper and explore some advanced techniques. In the following minutes, we're going to show you how to use visualization, mantras, and mindfulness to enhance your meditation practice. First, we'll talk about visualization and how it can help you achieve your goals and create a positive mindset. You'll learn how to use visualization to bring a sense of calm and tranquility to your mind. Next, we'll cover mantras and how they can help you focus your mind and block out distractions. You'll learn how to choose a mantra that resonates with you and how to use it during your meditation sessions. Finally, we'll talk about mindfulness and how it can help you cultivate a deeper sense of awareness and connection to the present moment. You'll learn how to use mindfulness to let go of negative thoughts and emotions, and how to apply it to your daily life. To start, using visualization and meditation can help you focus on a specific goal or outcome, and create a sense of calm and positivity in your mind. One way to use visualization is to imagine a peaceful scene, such as a beach or a forest. As you focus on the details of this scene, you can allow yourself to become fully immersed in it and release any stress or negative thoughts. Another way to use visualization is to imagine yourself in a specific situation, such as giving a presentation or meeting someone new. By visualizing yourself successfully navigating this situation, you can help build your confidence and reduce anxiety. Next, incorporating mantras in meditation can be a powerful way to focus your mind and block out distractions. A mantra is a word or phrase that you repeat to yourself during your meditation. It could be anything that resonates with you and can be a word, phrase, or a simple set of sentences that you repeat to yourself. Some popular mantras include OM, peace, or I am love. Repeating your chosen mantra helps you to focus your mind and achieve a deeper level of concentration. Finally, mindfulness is another important aspect of meditation. It helps you to cultivate a deeper sense of awareness and connection to the present moment. One way to practice mindfulness is to focus your attention on your breath. Simply notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and exits your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the sensation of your breath. This will help you to release tension and negative thoughts and help you focus on the present. Incorporating all of these techniques can help you to take your meditation practice to the next level and achieve the many benefits that come with it. Remember to be patient and consistent with your practice. It takes time to see the real benefits. So if you're ready to transform your mind and body and start your journey to inner peace, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can catch up to all of our newest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.